Good afternoon to the community of TVtions around the world. Once again, you are welcome to Freedom for Humanity. I am Olorunlowu Ayinde, also known as Sapphire Jua, one of the many voices in the community, also an economic developer in the community. Yeah, I want to share one wonderful method that actually worked for me. For as many of us who have lots of referrals, and we have most of them are not active. Guys, guess what? Sometimes ago, early this year, our wonderful able admin did something and put the column of phone number, contact, even in the registration form. Suffice to mention that if you go to your referral link under your KCB under marketing, click on your referrals. You will see the list of your referrals there. You know what? Guess what? Either through mail or through their phone number, you can contact them, share the goodness of God that is going on right in the community with them. Guys, guess what? Do it one time, second time, as a reminder also. Remind them to get active in the community. Remind them to get active in the community. Tell them of the good thing that is going on, especially hmm, this live, wonderful, unique program that is going on. Tell them, and you'll be surprised to see response. I have gotten some few response, and in fact, it is wonderful. So, guys, let's do that. Let's encourage them to come on board. Yes, let's encourage them to come on board and let us enjoy the abundance together. Let's continue to work. Don't be tired. Don't relent. Let's be consistent in the payment of our program fee. And for as many of us who are still looking forward to pay the annual program fee, guys, get what? You can make it. Yeah, when there is will, definitely you can make it. So, guys, do that. I wish you a wonderful day and I wish you a wonderful success in this journey we are. Love you all. I want you to like this broadcast, subscribe to it for subsequent broadcasts. Thank you. Bye for now.